Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my project done for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript course. This is project 0 called Search, which consists on developing a project simulating Google's interface and its advanced functions page. So let's get started. On step 1 we have that this website should have at least 3 pages, which are one for Google search, another one for image search, and the third one for Google advanced search. Now, on the Google search page, there should be links in the upper right of the page to go to the image search or advanced search. So we can actually see them right here on the upper right of the page. Now, on each of the other 2 pages, there should be a link in the upper right to go back to the Google search. So what happens if we click on the image search button? We can actually still click on the Google search button that will take us back to the main page. It will happen the same if we click the advanced search. We can still click on the Google search button. Next, on the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query and be taken to the Google search results for that page. So for example, what happens if we type Viper SRT, click enter, and it will actually redirect us to the Google result main page. But it will happen the same if we click the button Google search. Okay, next, like Google's own, my search bar should be centered with rounded corners, where we can actually see it right here. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So I think it actually follows that design. Next step, on the Google's image search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results page for that page. So let's click image search, again type Viper SRT, and click on this button, image search. So as you can see, it actually works, taking us to the Google image results page. So let's get back. Next step, on the Google advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. Let's go to the advanced search, which are all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. Now, like next step, like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically, and all of the text fields should be left aligned, where we can actually see it right here. Next, consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button should be blue with white text, where we can actually see it right here. And when the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search results page for their given query. So let's take these examples that we have in our right. So let's type tricolor, rat terrier, miniature, and rodent, and let's click on the advanced search button, and it actually works, taking us to the advanced search results page. Let's get back. Next step, it's adding a I'm feeling lucky button on the main Google search main page. And what will happen, well, here we have this button. By clicking this button, it should take the user directly to the first Google search result, bypassing all the normal results page. What we will receive is a notice or a notification that it will redirect us to another page, but we don't have to worry about this. So for example, if we type in iPhone 15 Pro and click I'm feeling lucky, it will actually redirect us to this notice. Click on this link, and we are already on the Apple main page. Let's get back. Now, last point, the CSS that I write should resemble Google's own aesthetic. So I think it actually, in general, meets these requirements. Thanks so much.